Concerns tonight in Adams County about COVID-19 positive test. Good evening, everyone. I'm Don Dwyer. Dylan Austin has the night off. We begin with that. New at 10. Adams County health officials continue to reach out to the public tonight about their concerns over the recent surge in COVID-19 cases. Here's just a perfect example of it. Just tonight, the Good Samaritan Nursing Home in Quincy announced on its Facebook page that one of its employees just tested positive. Officials with the county say they're seeing its highest positive test rate since the virus has been tracked back in March. WGEM's Kara Biernat live in Quincy to explain why. Kara?
Don, that's the thing. Why? Why are we seeing so many positive cases? Officials here at the Adams County Health Department say while the state reopening does play a part in that, ultimately it's because too many people are not taking the precautions that they're supposed to. Because of that, more people than ever have COVID-19 in Adams County. Drive through town. Some people wear masks and others choose not to. A divide that has officials at the Adams County Health Department frustrated.
We want people to take it seriously. We've been saying that for 3 months now. We are seeing a surge. That is certainly a concern. Adams County Public Health Administrator Jared Welch says we are seeing the highest test positive rate since tracking the virus. Right now we're at about 2.2% was the last I saw for a positivity rate. So that number is a rolling average and it will change over time. But we've been anywhere from basically 0% up into about a 2.5% range through time. That means people who point to more testing as the cause of the surge are wrong. We have turned the disease prevalence indicator to yellow, and that's because we have seen this increase in cases recently. There is more community level circulation of COVID right now than there was over that flat period in April. Welch says the uptick in cases is due to people not following the guidelines. One Adams County resident says the lack of masks and social distancing is obvious.
I see like half and half. Half of them do, half of them don't.
Welch says although the state is reopening, it's not time to let your guard down, as many patients are asymptomatic. The disease is here, it is circulating. The best ways to avoid getting it are to stay away from other people, stay away from larger groups, wear your masks when you can't socially distance. Something residents want to see more of.
It sounds like now more younger people are testing positive for it. So, you know, if they're getting it, I'm a little older, so I need to be more vigilant.
Welch says he plans to meet with all healthcare providers tomorrow. He says people are not being as receptive as they'd like them to be, so they plan to discuss ways to change that. Live in Quincy, Kara Biernat, WGEM News.
Kara, thank you for that report. Here's some more information on this story. Welch says testing is a good strategy to help them control the virus. He says right now anyone with symptoms or may have been exposed to the virus can get tested. He says the turnaround for tests take 1 to 2 days to get back no matter where you get tested. And if you want to get tested, you should call the community COVID-19 hotline numbers first. If you have any issues with that, call the health department and they will get you the help that you need. This story continues tomorrow on Today. Health officials explain the driving force behind the spread. WGEM News Today with my colleague Natalie Will starts at 5 a.m.